Rakesh, Preeti, good, Bhuvaneshwari. Some people joined today. Shishobanashi, can hear me? Bhuvaneshwari, Madhavi, you're all joined today?
Yeah,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
First.
sir. This is the
Fine.
first.
So where are you from, Bhuvaneshwari?
Sir, I'm from Karnataka.
You are from Karnataka. Good, good. So, good. Mahesh joined, okay. Shishovan, where are you from?
Hi, sir. I'm from Odisha.
From Odisha. Good, good.
Yeah.
Right. Anyone joined today? Ramanamurthy, you are joined today? Ramanamurthy, am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You are joined today?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, the people, Aswati, can you hear me?
Yes,
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore.
You are from Bangalore. Good, good. Karnataka. Good.
Yeah.
So, some people joined today, Preeti and Mahesh and rest of the people. For their convenience, I just want to recap the points what we discussed in the last week. The people, the students who are joined today, last week, I taken 2 sessions, Thursday and Friday. Saturday, no class. Yesterday, Sunday. So you missed only 2 sessions, guys, last week's Thursday and Friday. So last 2 classes sessions, I just want to recap, maximum 5 to 10 minutes. So that is why Preeti and Mahesh don't get bored. For their convenience, I just want to recap the points once, okay? And the students who are joined today, the complete class recordings are available. Please ask the backend team of mine. They will provide the last 2 classes recordings. Am I clear? The students who are joined today. And I'm not yet started the actual topic. We are in the demo sessions only. Only 2 demo sessions are completed. Each demo session maximum, 50, 45 minutes, 50 minutes only. So hardly maximum, only 2 hours class you missed. And those 2 hours classes recordings are available. You please ask Durga management, they will provide the recordings. But anyway, in the meanwhile, I just want to recap the points what we discussed in the last week for your convenience. Okay, guys? And one more important point before I proceed to today's class. Guys, listen carefully. POWERBI is very easy. Very, very easy. Even a layman also, not technical persons also can understand easily. If you want to learn POWERBI, you no need to require any prior knowledge in software. A normal fresher also can understand this topic. Understand all of you? That is why don't bother. I'll make you understand the class. In case if anyone not understand, you can ask the questions in the classroom. At the end of the session, last 10-15 minutes, I'll give the time to ask the questions. Okay, any doubts? Okay, not only subject wise. Okay, if you have any gap, or maybe you're a fresher, so how to put the fake experience, how to prepare the resume. So can I fit for this course or not? You have plenty of doubts, right? By learning the course. For every question, I'll give the answer. Last 10-15 minutes. Okay. So first, anyway, let us start the session today. Let me share the screen first. Please, everyone can view my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. Thank you. Madhavi also joined today. Good.
Yes, sir.
I think your last class you attended, right?
No, this is the first class.
Maybe another Madhavi was there. The last 2 sessions, I just want to recap the points. Last 2 classes, I just discussed about some points, maximum 8 points completed, 8 major points completed. I just want to recap. First point is, what is Power BI? So Power BI, it's a reporting tool, or I can say data visualization tool, which is developed by or given by Microsoft. It is released in 2000 year. Okay, that is Power BI. Okay, second point what we discussed is using Power BI, what we can do. Using Power BI, what we can do. Using Power BI, we can do near about 4 to 5 operations. 4 major operations I can perform. We can perform how many operations? 4 major operations we can perform. One is, we can do the data visualization. I will tell you what is the meaning of data visualization. Second one is, we can do data analysis. Third one is, we can generate the reports. Last one is what? We can generate what? Dashboards. Understand the point here? We can generate what here? Dashboards. These are the 4 major operations we can perform using Power BI. Data visualization, data analysis, we can generate the reports, we can generate the dashboards. Dashboard is nothing but collection of reports only. So we can perform all the 4 operations using Power BI. Okay. If you want to perform visualization, if you want to perform analysis, if you want to generate the reports and dashboards, first of all, you should require what? Data. So without data, we cannot perform any operation. Any of these operations we can't perform without data. So what is data? That is the third point in the last class we discussed. Data means whatever we entered into the system is called data. Whatever we entered into the system is called data. Data can also be called as raw facts. Why data can be called as raw facts? Because data does not give the meaning. Data does not give any meaning. That is why data can be called as raw facts. But after processing the data, you will get some result. So this result, we can call it as what? Information. So the basic fundamental difference between data and information is data does not give the meaning, but whereas information always gives the meaning. Always gives the meaning. Tell me guys, every day I'm going to give the information or data to you, to my students. As a trainer of the Power BI, every day I'm going to deliver the information about the Power BI. I'm going to deliver the data about the Power BI to my students. Preeti, Mahesh, and rest of the people.
Information, sir.
Information, because whatever I'm speaking here, you can understand what I'm speaking. Because information always gives what? Meaning. Whatever I'm speaking, it has some meaning. That is why the people can understand what I'm speaking here. If I'm giving data, data is a raw fact. Data does not give any meaning. That is why data can be called as raw facts. For example, as I said here, whatever we entered into the system is called data. For example, what we are entering numbers. We are entering special characters. We are entering alphabets. We are entering pictures. Everything can be called as data only. Whatever we entered into the system is called what here? Data. Okay. How many special characters are there? How many numbers are there? We have 0 to 9, 10 numbers. We have small a to small z and capital A to capital Z, 26 letters and 26 letters. Total 52 characters. Special characters like what? Star. These are all special characters. 0 to 9, how many numbers are there? 10 numbers, 26, 26. Total how many here? Come on, guys. 52. And do you know how many special characters are there altogether? 194. If you add all the values 10 plus 52 plus 194, total how much here? 256. All these 256 characters can be called as data. Now, someone got a doubt here. How can we say that the data does not give the meaning, sir? That is Mahesh's doubt. My answer is, on what basis I can say data does not give the meaning? My answer is, suppose 10155 are given. What is this? It's a numeric value. Can I say that is a student roll number from the college point of view? It could be. Can I say that employee ID from the company point of view? It might be. Can I say that maybe customer's bank account number? It might be. But no one knows exactly what is that number represents. And everyone say that 1015555 represents what? It's a numeric value. It is a combination of how many numbers? 5 numbers. All the 5 numbers coming from this 10 numbers. And this 10 numbers can be called as what? Data. So according to my explanation, what you understand is, this is the data. From this data, you do not get any proper meaning because we are not in the position to tell what is that number exactly represents. That is why data can be called as raw facts. Suppose, one more example, Mahesh is there. What is the Mahesh means? It's a human name. It's a combination of how many alphabets? Again, 6 alphabets are there. All the 6 alphabets are coming from these 52 characters. These 52 characters can be called as what? Data. So I can say Mahesh is data. What is Mahesh? Is a student name? I don't know. Employee name? I don't know. Customer name? Passenger name in the flight? No one knows exactly. But everyone knows it's a human name. That's it. Like that, we have something called 90,000 again. What is 90,000? Again, it is a numeric value. Again, it is a data. So everything is a data here. From this data, you do not get the proper meaning. That is why data can be called as what? The raw facts. Okay. To avoid this confusion, okay, to avoid this ambiguity, let me write something above this, like EID, E-name. What is the next one here? Salary. Now, everyone in the classroom specifically tell that. Everyone in the classroom specifically tell that 10155 represents what? Employee ID. No confusion at all. Mahesh represents what? Employee name. 90,000 represents what? Salary. Any confusion? No confusion is there. Okay. So I am getting the meaning for this data because of the above names. If I do not write the above names, no one knows what is that exactly represents. To avoid this confusion, I wrote something above on this. So above one is also a data, of course, but the above data represents below data. Whenever one data represents another data, this can be called as what? What is this? Something called metadata. Metadata means what? Data describes about another data can be called as metadata. Okay. So the entire line is called what? Record. So this gives what? Some information. It gives what? Employee ID or employee name and his salary. So information always gives the meaning, but whereas data does not give the meaning. That is the fundamental difference between data and information. This is what we discussed in the last class as a third point. So without data, we can't perform data visualization, data analysis. We cannot generate the reports. We cannot generate the dashboards. If you want to perform any of these 4 operations, you must and should require what here? Data. I hope you understand this point very clearly. Yes or no? And the next point, what we discussed is, okay, why we need to convert the data into visual format. This is the point we discussed. Why we need to convert the data into, what is this? Visual format. Why we need to convert the raw data into visual format? That's the question here. Why we need to convert the raw data into visual format? Because raw data in real world, okay, raw data in real world, okay, huge amount of data, huge amount of data, huge volume of data you are getting from different sources. This much of huge volume of data users can't understand. That is why understanding the data memorizing the data, remembering the data is very difficult. Because this data you are getting in real time, a huge volume of data. Sometimes you are getting gigabytes of data. Sometimes you are getting megabytes, terabytes of data. Sometimes you are getting data in petabytes also, and more than this also. So that much of huge amount of information data, we can't understand immediately. And we cannot remember immediately. That is why we have to convert this data into what here? Visual format. Visual means some picture format. Okay. So as far as human psychology is concerned, we can understand the picture. We can memorize the picture. We can remember the picture. Than what? Easily than what? Raw data. Yes or no? Based on the picture, we can take the decisions immediately. The company management people, company decision makers, high-level management or middle-level management people, they can take the decisions immediately, okay, by seeing this particular visual formatting of data, rather than what? Raw data. Because management time is most precious. They want to take the decisions immediately because of real competitive world. So they can't understand the data, raw data immediately. It takes more time to understand, analyzing, okay. It's very tedious process also. That is the reason we have to convert this raw data into what? A visual format. So that we can memorize this data, we can understand this data, visual data, okay, we can take the decision immediately or quickly without wasting much time. Okay, so that is the reason why we need to go for what? Converting the data into visual format. This is the fourth point in the last class we discussed. And coming to the fifth point, last two classes I'm talking about. Coming to the fifth point, we can convert the data. We can convert the data into visual format using or in two ways. Sorry, in how many ways? Two ways. We can convert the data into visual format in how many ways? Two ways. One is through coding, we can convert. Second one is through GUI. Through coding means what? Through programming, we can convert. Okay, GUI means what? Graphical user interface, just drag and drop, point and click. We don't need to write any coding. Okay, so two ways we can convert the data into visual format. If you want to convert the data into visual format through programming, we need to use some programming languages which are available in the market. Most popular language is Python. And we have another language called something called what here? R language. This kind of languages we can use. Okay, using these languages, we can convert the raw data into visual format. For this, okay, you need to learn programming, Python programming or R language programming. We need to write some logical programs, logics, and we need to understand the program. But without coding, without programming, also we can convert the raw data into visual format through what? GUI. This is the second way. GUI means graphical user interface. Developer no need to write the coding. Just drag and drop, point and click. For this, we have so many tools are available in the market. Like out of many tools, one of the tool name is called POWERBI, which is developed by Microsoft company. Okay. Apart from POWERBI, we have something called Tableau. Is anyone hear this name? We have, what is this? QuickSense. These are the tools are available. These are the tools are available in the market, okay, which can convert the data into what format? Visual format. Of course, in your syllabus, we are not going to discuss this. You people no need to bother about programming languages, because understanding programming languages, learning programming languages is somewhat difficult, okay? So we no need to learn any Python language or R language. We are purely depending on what here? GUI. That is why the people who do not have any programming skills, don't bother. We are not going to learn any programming language here. Am I clear this part of the explanation? So according to the fifth point, what you understand is we can convert the raw data into how many formats? How many ways? Two ways. What is the first one? Through programmatical we can convert, and also through GUI. I hope you understand this point clearly. So this is the fifth point in the last class we discussed. And one more important point, the last class we discussed, I remember, okay, generations of, what is this? Generations of, what is this? Visualization, data visualization tools. Okay, these generations I'm going to divide into 3 generations. How many? 3 generations. The first generation, this is the first generation before 2000 year. Okay, we have something called crystal reports. Is anyone hear this name? It's a reporting tool. The reporting tool name is called crystal reports. It is before 2000 year, available in the market. This reporting tool developed by Microsoft company. Vendor company is Microsoft. And the second tool, there is second generation here, that is after 2000. Okay, that is, we have something called business objects, BO. BO stands for business objects. We have something called Cognos, and we have SSRS is there. SSRS stands for SQL Server Reporting Services. So these are the tools are available after 2000. This is the second generation of tools. And now we are in the third generation, that is after 2012. This is between 2000 to 2012. And this is after 2012. Okay, the most popular things are what here? POWERBI. What is this? Quick Sense. And we have something called what? What is this? So these are the tools are available after 2012. Okay. And what is the problem in the first generation? What is the problem in the second generation? Why they developed the third generation? The problem in the first generation, that is crystal reports, okay, it handles only limited amount of data. What is this? Limited amount of data. Second generation, it also handles huge amount data. Huge amount of data, but it does not support what is this? Something called cloud technology. It does not support what? Cloud technology. It supports only what? Okay. We can extract the data only from Excel files. We can extract the data only from CSV files. CSV stands for what? Comma separated values. Comma separated value files. We can extract the data from database DB systems. Understand all of you? But we cannot extract the data from cloud. It does not support cloud technology. But after 2000, POWERBI, these are the tools. Okay, not only we can extract the data from Excel CSV file and database systems, we can also extract the data from cloud storage. This is the advantage of third generation. Is all of you understand third advantage of third generation? Everyone in the class, Preeti and rest of the people? Hello? Guys, respond immediately.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
understood.
It supports cloud technology, it supports cloud storage also. We can extract the data. Okay. See here, one important point I need to tell at this particular point of time. Last time, our last class, I discussed about one important point. See here, last class, what we discussed is stages of POWERBI. This is very, very important. Last class we discussed stages of POWERBI. Okay. In total POWERBI, Only Power BI, any of these data visualization tools I can talk. First one, we can extract the data from the source files. Okay. Second step, stage two. Stage two here. After extracting the data, we have to, what is this? Transform the data. What is the meaning of transform? Transform the data means we have cleansing the data. Okay, we can repair the data here. I'll tell you what is the meaning of cleansing the data and all. After transforming the data, we have to go for a data modeling. Here, we will need to discuss about what? Something called relationships, one-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship, many-to-many relationships, all these things in data modeling. Next one, fourth one here, okay, data visualization. Data visualization means what? Generating the reports and dashboards. Picture format. Okay. Next one, last and final one. What is this? Publish and deploy the reports. These are the 5 stages, guys, in the Power BI. What is the first one here? Extract the data from different source files. That is the first stage. Second one, transferring the data. Third one, data modeling. Fourth one, data visualization. Last one is what? Public and deploy. These are the 5 steps you have to understand. Among these 5 steps, first 4 steps takes a lot of time. More time, I can say. But last step, public and deployment, hardly 1 week to 10 days time to discuss. Okay, guys? Okay, now coming to the first point here, extract the data from different sources, source files. Okay, what are the source files here? What are the source files? What is source file here? Source file means it is a file which contains the, what is this? Come on, guys, raw data. Okay, from here, we can extract the data into, what is this? Power BI. But these files are, it could be, the source file could be what? Excel file. This source file could be what? CSV file. Excel file extension is what here? .xls file. CSV file extension is what here? Come on, .csv file. We can also extract the data from database systems. These database systems, like we can extract the data from Oracle database. We can extract the data from SQL Server. We can extract the data from MySQL. We can extract the data from Teradata. We can extract the data from Netezza. We can extract the data from Sybase. We can extract the data from Informix. We can extract the data from PostgreSQL. We can extract the data from what do you call Netezza, Teradata completed. Aster data, very good. Aster data. These are the different sources. These are all database systems available in the market. Almost more than 200 plus databases are there in the market. Okay. Most of the databases also we can extract the data. These are all database systems. Okay. And apart from that, we can also, the beauty of Power BI, we can also extract the data from something called what? Cloud storage. Now tell me, anyone, what is cloud or cloud computing? What is cloud and what is cloud computing? Anyone can tell, please? I think, Preeti, you're already working on cloud computing, right? Yes or no? Azure, Microsoft Azure, right?
Yes.
What is cloud computing, Preeti? I'm not talking about Salesforce. I'm not talking about Microsoft Azure or some other cloud computing technologies. Overall cloud computing, I'm asking. Any one of you, please tell me what is cloud computing technology? Does anyone have the idea about this?
It's like a pool of shareable physical and virtual resources.
Okay. Okay, that is too technical. The people can't understand what is said. I understand what is said. Okay. But a layman point of view, I'll explain you what is cloud computing means. Okay, layman point of view. Listen to the class very careful, all of you. If anyone not understand, ask me. Don't sit idle. I hope all of you understand all these points, right?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
rest of the sleeping. They're very silent. Vivek, Shravani, Ramanamurthy, Mahesh, Bhuneshwari, understand?
Yeah, sir.
Shishovan,
Understand.
Shishovan.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. If I'm going fast, please let me know, okay? Thank you. Fine. So these are the points in the last class we discussed. What is Power BI? Using Power BI, what we can do? What is data and what is information? And why we need to convert the data into visual format? And how many ways we can convert the data into visual format through coding and through GUI? And generations of visualization tools. First generation before 2000, second generation after 2000, third generation after 2012. That is Power BI and all. And what is the importance of third generation is, first two generations does not support what? Cloud storage. We cannot extract the data from cloud databases. But whereas this one, third generation, we can extract the data from Excel files, CSV files, database systems, and also what? We can extract the data from cloud storage. What is cloud computing here? Let us discuss this point, very important. Cloud computing means, I will give you a brief introduction regarding this. Cloud computing means, it is a concept. It is a concept, or it is a technology. It is a concept or it is a technology. Here, whatever IT services we need, everything will provide by vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. This is the simple layman point of view. This is the definition. Technically, as Preeti said, technically, we have another definition also there. That is, it is a common pool of resources which are shared by multiple people across the globe over the internet. Okay, guys, this is a technical definition. This is the normal definition here. Coming to normal definition, it is a concept or a technology. Whatever IT services we need, all IT services are provided by whom here? Vendor company. As a user, if you want to access these services, all these services are given by vendor company. If you want to access these services, the only thing you require is what? Internet connection. If you have internet service, we can access all the services through internet. For this, if you want to access these services, we have mobile, that is enough. We have laptop, that is enough. We have desktop, that is enough. We have tab, that is also enough. Your mobile is also enough. We have different sources. We just require only internet connection, we can access the services. All IT services are given by vendor company. We can access all the IT services through what? Internet. Point is clear. Another meaning is, it is a common pool of resources which are shared by multiple people across the globe over the internet. What kind of services cloud computing giving? That I will discuss later. That is not necessary for you. you know, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Is anyone here this name? Preeti?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Platform as service, software as service. These are the three services are provided by vendor company over the internet. Okay, for your better understanding about cloud computing, let me give a small example. Listen this example carefully so that you can clearly understand the meaning of cloud computing here. Suppose every day, I want to, I want to check my mails and also I want to take printout. This is my requirement, all of you guys. Every day I want to check my mails and also I want to take the printout. What I have to do? First of all, if I want to check the mails, what I require, first of all, I need internet. Yes or no? Come on. Before internet, I should buy what?
Yes, sir.
I should buy one laptop. And also I need to take printer. I need to buy one printer. I need to take internet connection. Yes or no? And also I need to buy some white papers to take the printout. Yes or no? Speak out all of you. Tell me,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
laptop cost approximately 50,000. Printer cost approximately 10,000. Internet charges every month 1,000 rupees approximately. White papers cost approximately 500 rupees. Total how much? 60 to 70,000 rupees I have to spend. Yes or no? I have to invest. Instead of investing 60,000 rupees unnecessarily, okay, simply I go to internet center nearby home. There I can check my mails and also I can take the printout. Yes or no? Possible or not? Tell me in the internet center the mails. Yes, I can take the mails.
Yes.
Can it? Yes, I can take the printout. Tell me in the internet center, who given internet service? Internet service center owner. Yes or no? Come on. Who given the systems? Internet center owner. Who given the printer facility to take the printout? Internet center owner. Who given the white papers to take the printout? Internet center owner. All these services are given by whom here? Internet service owner. Yes or no? Internet center owner. The way how internet center owner provided all these services, in the same way, here also the vendor company providing what? All IT services. Whatever IT services we require, every service given by vendor company. You no need to buy or you no need to purchase any software. Okay, you no need to install any software. You no need to install any database. You no need to install any programming language. Every service provided by vendor company only. The only require is what? The only thing you require is what here? Internet connection. So we can store your important files in the cloud. For this example, I can give you people know about Google Drive. What is Google Drive? Google company provided Google Drive. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Google company given what? Google Drive. Whoever having Gmail application, okay, that person getting what? Google Drive. What is Google Drive? Is it a memory space or not?
Yes, sir.
How
Kind
is
of
it given?
database.
15 GB memory space. It's a free service. Yes or no? Okay, 15 GB memory space they given. In this memory space, what we can do? We can store, we can load your important files, important documents, important pictures, your contact numbers, everything can store permanently. Am I correct or not? Suppose something happened in your system, the system is completely crashed out. Okay, you don't need to bother. Your files are safe. Where it is stored? Where it is stored? Into the cloud. Yes or no? No one speaking here.
Yes, yes.
From the cloud, we can extract. Okay, no issues at all. Okay, this kind of service can be called as software as a service. Okay, sorry, plan is infrastructure as a service. Okay, so we can extract the data from cloud storage. We can extract the data from database systems. We can extract the data from CSV file, and also you can extract the data from Excel files. Okay, we have different sources we can extract the data. So I hope all of you understand what is the meaning of cloud computing with this example. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you understand this internet center example, you
Yeah.
can easily understand cloud computing. What kind of services vendor company provides? Vendor company provides basically three types of services. What is that? Infrastructure service, IaaS. IaaS stands for what? Infrastructure as service. Second one, platform as service. Third one is what? Software as service. These are three types of services given by vendor company. Of course, you do not understand, you don't need to understand what is this and all this and all this and all. Okay, it is not required for you. It's altogether different technology. Fine. Coming back to the one more important point, listen carefully. Before I proceed, guys, all of you understand all the points? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Thank you so much. What about rest of the people? Good.
No doubt.
No doubt.
Okay, please mute. Someone talking here. Okay. As I said just now, we can convert the data into visual. How many ways? Two ways. One is what? Through coding. Through what? GUI. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The people who are not attending the last class, listen carefully. How to extract the data through GUI. That is the point I am going to discuss. Okay. After that, we will discuss about how to extract the data through coding also. Just for, you don't need to understand the programming. First, let me discuss about through GUI. Last class, Preeti, Mahesh, I created 4 charts. Remember all of you? Hello.
Yeah.
I created
Yeah.
horizontal bar chart we created, vertical bar chart we created. Remember?
Yes.
Vertical bar chart, line chart we created, line. Okay. Suppose in case sales are decreased, you can ask the Power BI why sales are decreased. So Power BI is going to analyze what is happening backend. Yes or no? Remember all of you.
Yes, sir.
Recap all the points once again for the new students. Okay. Please bear with me. Okay, guys. Before I proceed, everyone please look at the screen. I have some Excel sheet here. Tell me, guys, can we extract the data from Excel sheet? Yes or no? Speak out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the Excel sheet. It contains near about 6 columns are there. Salesperson, country, product, date, amount, and box shipped. Total how many? 6 columns. And how many records are there? I think approximately more than 1,000 records are there. Okay, 1,095 records are there. And in this Excel file, how many sheets are there? Only one sheet is there. What is the sheet name? Look at the mouse pointer.
Data.
Okay. What is the file name here? Sample data. It contains 1,095 records in 6 columns. And it contains one sheet. The sheet name is called data. And what is my requirement is, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to extract the data. What is the first step? What is the first step? Tell me.
Extract the data.
Extract the data.
Extracting the data.
Source file. What is the source file here? Excel file is a source file. From this data, I want to extract. How to extract? Tomorrow class, listen carefully all of you. Tomorrow class, I will explain you how to install the Power BI software in your system. Okay, guys? And today is the last day class for demo sessions. And tomorrow onwards, actual topic is going to start. I already told you, I will take only 3 demo sessions. 2 sessions already completed. The people who are not attended first 2 sessions, please take the class recording classes. Anyway, last 2 sessions, I already recap all the points, last 40 minutes. Hope you understand this. Yes or no? And tomorrow, I will discuss about how to install the data. Okay, how to extract the data from source file. Look at this. Open your desktop. Very simple. Very, very simple, guys. Okay, very easy. Once we install Power BI, we will get this icon, Power BI desktop. Observe carefully, Power BI desktop. So now we entered into Power BI environment here. In the Power BI environment, we can see the first option. What is this? Everyone speak out. Blank report. Click on blank report. The entire window divided into 4 parts here. Okay. See, this is the left side pane. This is right side pane. Or left panel, right panel. This is called canvas. This is called menu bar. Menu bar can also be called as ribbons. What is that, guys?
Ribbon.
Home ribbon, insert ribbon, modeling ribbon, these are all ribbons. In this ribbon, we have so many options. I'm in home ribbon here. Okay. Tell me, where is our source data is available? Where it is available? Excel file or SQL or any other?
Import data from Excel file.
Excel.
So click on Excel, very easy. Just drag and drop. Where is my file located? It is located on a desktop. Sample data. Click on open. Okay, this Excel file contains how many sheets are there? Only one sheet. What is the sheet name? Data.
Data.
I selected that one. Automatically I got 3 buttons here. Load.
Transform data cancel.
But what is the operation you need to perform? First of all, load. After loading means extracting. After loading, then you have to go for what? Second step, transform. Okay.
Transform.
That is what I written here, right? Extract means load. Then after transform. Okay. Transform we'll discuss later. Click on what? Load. See, there are some pending changes near queries that have been applied. Please wait. How many rows loaded here? 1094 rows loaded. Yes or no? Great. Fine. Look at this. In the right side panel, we have 3 panes are there. Filter panes, visualization panes, and what is the last one here? Data pane. If we expand this data pane, what is the file name? Data is there. Just expand this. Okay. This file contains, or this sheet contains how many columns? This table contains how many columns? 6 columns. Amount, boxes shipped, country, date, product, and salesperson. Actually, this item, this data related to chocolates. Understand all of you? This data related to what? Chocolates. We are exporting the chocolates to different countries across the world. Australia, New Zealand, India. Okay. So we are shipping the boxes to across the world here to different countries. Okay. So who is the salesperson? Okay. Shipping the boxes to which country, on which date, and what kind of product he shipped, how many boxes he shipped, and what is the amount of the box, all these things. Clear all of you? Total how many columns? 6 columns. Good. Now, left side, we can see report view, table view, model view, and DAX view. 4 views are there. Just click on table view. Salesperson, country, product, date, amount, boxes filled. Data is loaded or not? All of you guys speak out.
Yes.
Data is loaded,
Yes, sir.
right? How many records loaded? You can see here. 1094 records. Look at the mouse pointer. 1094 records loaded. Okay. Salesperson. Okay. He sent to Australia. Product is what? Peanut butter cubes. That is chocolate flavor. On which date? 27th April 2022. Okay. What is the amount? 12,726. How many boxes shipped? 342 boxes. Yes or no? Guys, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Australia. Next, India. Okay. Next, USA. Next, UK. Next, Canada. Next, New Zealand. Okay. These are the 6 countries are there. Fine. So we successfully extracted the data from Excel sheet to Power BI. After loading the data, I want to convert this data into visual format, picture format. Tell me, can you understand this data immediately? Come on, speak out.
Yes, sir.
Can you understand the data immediately?
No. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
I want to know salesperson Urjit, how many boxes he sent to India? Tell me. India and Australia. Where is, we have to check. Where is Urjit? He is a Urjit. Australia, how many boxes he sent? 11 boxes. To Australia. India, again you have to go down. It takes a lot of time, right? Where is
Yeah.
Where is Urjit? Takes a lot of time, right? So understanding this raw data is very difficult. That is why I want to convert this data into, come on.
Visualization.
That is why you have to go for visualization. Click on visualization. We have so many charts are available here. Okay. So let me select the bar chart, horizontal bar chart. Automatically, if you click here, automatically chart is coming here. We can move anywhere in this canvas. This is the canvas, guys. Okay. Fine. So we have x-axis, we have y-axis is there. I want to know who is a salesperson or each salesperson. Okay, how many boxes shipped? Point clear. Hello. That is why I selected salesperson to y-axis. Salesperson coming y-axis. Okay, boxes x-axis.
Sir, it could be anything, right? I mean, salesperson in X, boxes in Y.
No problem. Your wish.
Okay.
Okay. See here. And who is the salesperson sending more boxes out of these people, out of these salespersons? Sahaz, yes or no? Sahaz. And who is a salesperson sending less number of boxes? Urjit.
Urjit.
Okay, like that you can understand. And also the beauty of this particular Power BI is we can place multiple charts on the same canvas. See, let me place one more chart here. Let me place one more chart. Our vertical chart I'm taking here. Place this. Okay. Here, let me place x-axis and y-axis. X-axis country I'm placing, suppose. Okay. And how many boxes shipped? Y-axis. See? Country y-axis. Some of the boxes shipped y-axis. Clear? If you want to change this color, both colors are same, blue color only. I want to change the color. How can we change the color? Look at this. Go to something called bars is there here. It is bars. Control. We change the color here. Some red color is in. Understand? I want to change this color also. Color also has been changed, yes or no? Okay. And we can make these two charts communicate with each other. That is the beauty here. This is called integration. This is called what? Interaction between these two charts. See, I want to know Sahaj is the salesperson sending how many boxes to each country. That's what I want. Sahaj is the salesperson. I want to know how many boxes is sent to each country. How can I find? Very simple. Just click on this. Only Sahaj selected. Tell me, Sahaj is the salesperson sending how many boxes? Come on. 32,647. Canada, how many boxes? 31,221. Point clear?
Yeah.
Hello? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose Jaypal is there. Jaypal, how many boxes shipped to Australia? 32,647. Canada, 31,221. If you select, automatically it has been changed. Suppose you selected Vasavi is there. Changed or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's changing.
Okay, good. Clear? If you want to get the normal position, just click on the outside, then you'll get the normal position. Like that, I want to know about the day-wise sales. How can I? So I selected line chart here. I want to know about the day-wise sales. Day-wise, okay. Date I selected. And boxes shipped. Line chart. This is for year. See here, observe carefully. Look at the heading here. Some of the boxes supplied are shipped by year wise. I don't want year wise. I want to know how many boxes shipped in month wise, quarterly wise, and day wise also. For that, what I have to do? See, there are some down arrow, up arrow buttons is there. Click on this down arrow button. This is year and quarter wise. One more time, you please click. Year, quarter, and month wise. One more time, you can click. Year, quarter, month, and as well as what? Day wise. Yes or no? This is day wise sales. Point clear? But it's somewhat clumsy to understand. I want to make it as month wise. Then you can go for go up. Then box shipped year, quarterly, monthly. See, January month, August month. From January to August, how many months? 8 months. In January month, sales is in peak stage. Yes or no? January month. But February month drastically decreased. Yes or no? Come on.
Yeah.
January month, how much? 27,535. But February month shipped how many? How many boxes? Only 18,000. Almost more than 50% reduced. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
March month, somewhat increased. April month, somewhat increased. Okay, May month, okay, good. Again, June month, it is more than 50% increased. Again, decreased in July. Again, August is decreased. Okay, among these 8 months, which month getting more decreased? Under which month sales are decreased?
August.
February month.
February.
Yeah, February.
February.
18,815 only, but whereas August 19,000 change, right? Okay. I want to know, see here. In February month, how many, sorry, who is the salesperson sending, shipping, salesperson wise? See here. Okay. Out of 18,015 boxes, Saj shipped how many boxes? Come on. 9,658. Yes or no? John, how many? 8,767. Point clear?
Yes.
Yes.
How many are communicating with each other here. 3 charts are communicating, right? And also, I want to know why the sales are decreased. To whom I need to ask? I can ask Power BI. Power BI will give the answer. Click on right mouse button, analyze. What is the option here? Explain the decrease. Click on explain the decrease. Like that, we can generate the reports very easily, guys. Very easy. Internally, Power BI maintaining what? Artificial intelligence. They will decide that the technology will explain why the sales are decreased in the month of February. See here. Here, some of the boxes shipped. Okay. Red mark represents what? What is red mark represents? Decrease. Green color increased. Total sales. This is others. Understand? Suppose I want to place this chart also, we can place it, no problem. You get this, all of you? Hello?
Yes.
sir.
Like that, all these charts are communicate with each other. Okay, all these charts are communicate with each other. Okay, we can easily understand the raw data. So this is how we can convert the raw data into what? Visual format. Is it easy or difficult, guys? That easy, right?
Easy, sir.
Yes.
Need to practice.
Yes,
That's it.
yes.
The only thing you have to understand, okay, what is this? If you drag the mouse pointer, without dragging the mouse pointer, you have to understand what is this chart, what is this chart, what is this chart, what is this. You have to understand like this. You have to tell that everything will get to practice only. Otherwise, it is very that easy.
And sir, will you give this Excel sheet to us?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So
So-
are we gonna learn the DAX in this?
What is that coming?
DAX.
The DAX, sir, because companies are asking DAX a lot nowadays.
Yes.
Yeah, backs also will cover, no issues. Okay, that is also, and one more important thing I need to complete before I depart. It's already 8:10. Oh, sorry. The next batch people are waiting for me, guys. Okay, please wait. Yeah, that is also will cover, Preeti. Don't bother. And so far we discussed about what here? Come on. How to convert the data into visual format. And now tomorrow, first 5-10 minutes, how to convert the data into visual format using, come on, programming. Of course, I am not going to write any program, just a simple command only. I'll explain you 5 minutes only. After that, I will discuss about flavors of Power BI. We have 3 flavors are there. Power BI mobile version, Power BI desktop version, Power BI service. Understand all of you? Regarding all these things, I'll discuss tomorrow. After that, I will tell you how to download and install Power BI software. Understand? So your demo sessions are completed, guys, today itself. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss about first 10 minutes, all these topics, 10-15 minutes. Then after I will discuss how to download and install the Power BI. So these are the topics I'll discuss in tomorrow. Okay, guys, that's all about the today's session. I hope all of you enjoy the class today. If anyone have any kind of doubts, you can ask the questions, please.
Sir,
Sure.
actually, I'm having 10 plus years of experience into bid management, kind of non-tech role. And right now, sir, I'm drawing 26 LPA. But I feel like, sir, my career is kind of stagnating. I mean, there is nothing to learn, and same monotonous job I have been doing. So I want to make a career transition into data field. So my question is, sir, am I too late for this, or is this right path, learning SQL, Power BI and all?
It is not late. It is not late shift. Actually, I forgot to tell one more important point today because my time is running. Tomorrow I'll explain you what are the job profiles in data side, data field side. So as far as your experience is concerned, my suggestion is better to go for data science.
Data science, okay, sir.
Data science, because Power BI is also part of data science. ETL, Power BI, okay?
Okay, sir.
Learning, deep learning, channel MPL. So these are things are required. So anyway, Power BI is also part of this one. My suggestion is better to go for data science because you have vast experience.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Anyway, I will talk to you later tomorrow. If you have any doubts, you can ask me tomorrow because it's already almost 8:15. Okay. The next batch people are waiting.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, every day the class timing is 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, right?
Okay, guys.
Hello.
Any doubts?
So I hope we are covering the SQL part as well as a part of
What
syllabus.
else to discuss?
Yeah, because I was late in the first session, so I missed most of the part. So that's why I'm asking.
Karthik Mahadev, I saw your message. It is not going to completely, going to completely vanish. Karthik, hello.
Yes, please.
It's very powerful. See, coming years, maybe, see, it's tool based. Okay, definitely tool going to change. Okay, but
Okay.
not immediately. So meanwhile, you can move into some other technology. Some other technology means data analyst or data report or data, data engineering, you can move.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
So that's the jobs are there. Okay, I will talk to you tomorrow. It's already 15 minutes late. Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Thank you, sir.